Alright guys, Georgia Jim. I got my second Stanley 24/7 here in the vise. Thought I'd go ahead and pick this one open and get the gut done. For no other reason, I just want to see what's inside this one. I seen in the comments on the other 24/7 video from both Sunsub and Chaz's Lockpicking that theirs had some anti-bump and serrated pins and spools and stuff like that. And I may have had some lightly serrated pins, but I didn't see any spools. So I just want to pick this one and see if we get anything different. Just looking for a binder. Click there. I may have overset that. Hopefully it'll fall. Trying to set something else. And I do believe there's at least a spool in this one. I believe I already got a bit of a false set. Let me reset that. Yeah, I did have a false set, so. I'm not a fan of trying to pick in this keyway. Alright, this one is definitely tougher than the other one. It's putting up more of a fight. I got a good click there. there's anything else on that. Just rubbing the pin, giving the pins a good little jiggle. Try a different pick so I can get in there better. Is that counter rotation? No. I'm just giving them a little jiggle and rub and massage, making sure I got anything worked up out of that overmilling. There we go. So that definitely was a spool pin on 6. Alright, let's see. Now that I know how to gut this, we can do it a little faster. Get my correct Allen wrench, I believe it's this one. Maybe this one. No, never mind. That was in the screwdriver. All right. We are going to need those Allen wrenches. So. Hopefully this one isn't Loctited in quite as tight. But yeah, it is. Alright. Grab the key. Turn the cord and the shackle falls out. The spring falls out with it. Retaining pin. I believe this is the right one. Let's see if I can get it down in there. I'm about blind. There we go. Alright, I wanted to show you guys this too. We have both a drill protection plate over the key, and they add a ball bearing there above the Bible, or in front of the Bible. That's nice. We also have an anti-bypass wafer. It's probably a little bit too big for that. Yeah. Grab a pick. I'll just use this one. This will work. Put that there. Drop that down there. Let's see. Turn the key. Grab a follower. Put that there. Okay. Move that down just a little. That didn't help. So we'll go here instead. 2, 3, 5, 6. That's 6. There's 1. And again, you see the overmilling on the core. Tweezers. Alright. Alright, pin 1, I guess, if I get that to focus. There we go. Yeah, I guess it's a light serrated, or maybe possibly a spool. Yeah, I guess it's a very light serration in pin 1. Alright, 2 is a standard. Get that, there we go. Possibly tapered. If I can get that to focus. Come on. And also, let's see, 1 has a copper spring. And 2 has a steel spring. Looks like a plain standard. I think that is a tapered, or maybe possibly that's what they were talking about by the anti-bump. And that one just went shooting out. That looks like another standard. And another copper spring. And the copper spring for 3 was right there. And go the other way. Before I launch another one. So this will be pin 6. Okay, 6 was a double serrated. I thought that was possibly, I guess that could be called a double spool. It's just very lightly serrated, where the cuts are very light in it. And 5 was a serrated. So I'm thinking this is very similar to the other one. There's the last spring too. Alright, let me get that down there for you guys so it'll focus. Alright, we had a serrated in 1. I guess that's an anti-bump in 2. It's like lightly tapered. Standard in 3, 4, 5, and then a double spool in 6. So there we go, guys. That's the Stanley 24/7 padlock. This is the second one. This one was a lot harder. I think it was that double spool. But either way, hope this was helpful to anybody who needs to know how to gut these, and you guys have a good one.